Hi, this is Amanda with Elite Real Estate Group. I'm going to give you the fast forward version of a question I've been asked a few times as a realtor throughout the years. Okay, so you're going to inherit a property, and in the trust, you have the legal right to sell the property prior to the trustor passing away. So this would be an instance where the trustor has gone into assisted living and they will not be moving back into their home. It is a sad topic. I don't even like talking about it, but it is something that the majority of us will have to deal with at one point or another. So sometimes people are going to inherit a property, they want to sell it sooner than later because just the whole thing just is a bummer. And the property could be in another state. They don't know how they're going to maintain it. They don't want to leave it vacant, or they don't want to rent it. There's so many different variables. But if you can wait, I would do that. And the reason is because of capital gains. So before I move on though, really quick, again, please consult with your CPA or your real estate attorney before you make any of these big life, decisions. But this is the rundown of how it basically works. If you wait till you have completely inherited the home, how the IRS bases the possible capital gain is on the current market value of the property. So you would need to get it appraised by a licensed appraiser. And then when you're ready to sell it, you would sell it for the appraised amount. So say it's appraises for $600,000 and then you sell it for $600,000. So you can see there's no loss, no gain, but you actually would end up with a loss because of real estate fees, possibly a balance still on the property, and also any closing costs or repairs that you've done. If you can't wait and you have to do this prior to your loved one passing away, then the value is established, the original value, as when the property went into the trust. So say if this property goes into the trust and it, 20 years ago or something, and it was worth $100,000 at that time, then when you sell it for now at $600,000, you can see where you could have a very high amount of capital gains right there. So granted, again, you can deduct repairs done on the home throughout the years, but you got, make sure you have receipts for that, closing costs, and there may be still a balance on the property. But many times with elderly people, if they bought the house 30 years ago, there's probably not a mortgage. So as you can see, if you can wait, do that. And if you have any more questions regarding real estate or anything of that, I'd be happy to answer them for you, and I look forward to it.